I'm used to 6-7 years of like microlife products, but you can have a very heavy hand with them. You need to have a heavy hand with them in a lot of cases to get the desired results. I tried your stuff. I had a heavy hand with it because I'm thinking, oh, it's worm tea. I throw this everywhere. I want to throw down a gallon on my lawn. Stuff from Rocky Mountain Bioag says I only need to be using like 14 ounces.
Concentration worm tea, from everything I've read, is 10-to-1 ratio. You mix it. But the great thing about the worm tea, I can go 100% onto a plant and it's not going to kill a plant.
If y'all know me at all, I will throw a whole $60 bag of fertilizer down in one spot just to see how it responds. So when I tell you, hey, this is how much it can take to do something, you best believe that I've spent hundreds of dollars throwing down that product like an idiot, right? Just to see like, what's it gonna take?